Hello guys, here I am facing the problem. There is a no enabled repository in a /etc/m.repos.d and /etc/m/repos.d or repository.d. So what happened? Sometime your subscription manager has not been registered online. So there is a problem. So first you need to check your internet is connecting or not. So it is okay. So I am going to clear everything. So from here I need to first is register. I will try to like my subscription manager is registered or not registered. So system is already registered, so it is showing you should use the -- force to register again. Okay, so it will try to subscription. Okay, so now I am going to refresh sudo subscription manager and refresh. So there is a possibilities like they will get some information and maybe I will able to enable the repositories here. Okay, so it is done or not. So I am going to use the DNF and install the SSH. So it will display the here is a problem with the sudo command, and this is fetching the organization, and again it is showing the there are no enabled repository. So what I am going to do here, I am going to remove the subscription manager and remove everything -all. So it will remove and unsubscribe. Once it will done, then I will do the unregistered. So it will be unregistered from the repository or the from system. So I am going to use the unregistered. So here it will be unregistered and subscription has been removed here, and now everything but there is some cache and other information are stored. So I need to remove this everything. I have removed the local data. Now again another thing is I am going to do the register again. So let me check if it will work. So it will ask for the username. I am going to use the username, whatever my username here, and the password. So it will try to fetching some information here. So again I am going to use here the register and list for the available. So it will display me the available list of the available pool. So here is some pool ID, this and other information are displaying here. So it is on the screen, you can see it is showing me subscription has expired. I need to add or renew a subscription. Okay, so I am going to attach this one. Run the command is a sudo subscription manager attach. Either you can provide the ID, either you can use the --auto. So in this case you can see here your system has been registered successfully and been enabled. So updating the now it is checking for the compliance status, updating profile, and also updating the enable the repository which is available for me only. So it is subscribed and Red Hat Enterprise Linux 486 and 64. So now I run the sudo and DNF install SSH. Now it should be installed. So updating here, and you can see the problem has been resolved. So if you guys like this video and you have resolved your problem, so you can subscribe my channel and you can share with your friends. So through the app I am delivering the training through the boot camps, through the self-paced course and much more. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just do it. Okay.